Jocelyn rides the bus now, guys. So that's what we're waiting on. These crazy dogs.
2 hours later.
Good morning. Got a Caesar salad with my chicken sandwich, my potato soup. Isaiah got some chicken pasta and a fruit. Good place right now, Trader Joe's. Yes. Figs, peaches. Here's your apple juice. You get it in there? Yay! Push the button. Isaiah, push the button. Push it. Push it. Must be nice, huh, Key? Sit down on Koopa's head.
Mommy.
Come on, baby.
Like he's biting her leg.
Look who I got with me. These two kiddos. The puppies.
That's Layla?
The blue.
Man, she was bigger.
And now there are three. 3 puppies.
Put him on the floor.
3 puppies left out of 11.
He does that. He loves to jump on Daisha. Don't jump on people, Papa.
Big boy. Oh, Blue, he's stuck in my toe.
Oh, look at the baby.
Oh, look at the
Layla looks
puppy.
skinnier. Or is it just
She
me?
had the babies. Now
Oh.
she's gaining her weight
Oh,
back.
hey, mommy.
She used to look like a big old muscle.
Hey, sweet cat.
Oh, no video now. Puppy love, puppy love.
Puppy breath.
Look, Layla's like, get off my puppies. These are my puppies.
Right.
Look, she's getting excited. She's like, I want some love. Guys, look at all these birds. Their wings are clipped. He's so pretty. Look at
Can I pick him up?
him.
No, it says she's
We're not an employee.
Oh my goodness,
She's an
I love
employee.
birds.
Isn't it?
Look, it says, please do not pick up birds without an employee. Look, they have pink parakeets. Oh my goodness.
Cherokee.
Look at that one. I want to get that one for Jocelyn.
You want to get it?
Yes. Let me see how much are they. They're called budgies. Parakeet budgies. $25.99. That's actually not that bad. Devin, don't listen. You see, he's picking up the bird. Oh my goodness. We're going to get kicked out.
Dang it, hurt.
Look at him.
He's cleaning my fingernails.
He's cleaning your fingernail. Ooh.
That freaking hurt. Chill. Alright, go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Put him down, Devin.
He won't, he just want to go down.
He's a killer. He's a killer. Oh my goodness.
Dang, that crap hurts.
He's straight savage.
That crap hurts.
Put him down.
Get out, get off. Get off, get off.
Birdie? Hey. You're so cute.
I'm scared to come in.
He don't like you. That one's nice. That blue one's nice. Aww.
Chill.
I'm scared.
Shout it swing my way.
No, let's go sit down.
Shout it swing my way. Look at your buddy. So cute.
Here's someone with a chocolate.
Is he soft?
Doesn't have as much vegetables and stuff. Yeah. I mean, if somebody wanted egg,
I know. Reminds me of bugs. Remember
but they
bugs?
couldn't. That's a tortoise.
Yeah. He just walks around here. I thought he was bigger than that.
Was he biting?
I don't know. Don't pick him up. You can't pick him up, Devin. No, Devin. Devin, don't do it. Oh my goodness, my heart's beating fast.
You can't pick it up. Try it.
No.
Look.
Devin, quit.
It's a dinosaur.
You cannot pick that thing up. Let me see its face.
He's like, oh, this is the person who's picking me up.
Uh-huh. It's Nemo.
Look, sea urchins. Those things on SpongeBob. These things itch and poke you. and bite you.
Nemo and what's his dad's
Remember those
name?
sea urchins?
What's Nemo's
Marlin.
dad? Marlin. Marlin and Nemo. I found Dory. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. What do? We swim.
Oh, which one was this one?
He was the one in the fish tank
Oh yeah, stuck in
at the dentist's office.
Oh.
Oh, he's so cute. Guys, I am so terrified of lizards. Ooh, they just look so creepy.
Those two.
Oh my goodness. Let me know in the comments if I should come back and get this bird for Jocelyn.
Look. Oh.
Devin got a new best friend. Put your finger by his feet, he'll get on your feet. He's like, I want to stay up here. You gotta like scoop him up. Put it like on his chest. Devin, looks like he's about to jump off. Oh, someone just said good morning in there. Good morning. Good morning. Somewhere in that back room, there's a bird talking to me. Devin, you still alive?
You won't get off. You won't even grab me.
She's gonna come out. Good job. Thank you. Back in that back room. Good morning. Can we see that bird? The one who's saying good morning? Good morning. Are you camera shy? Do you want to see yourself? Wow, pretty bird.
Hello.
Pretty bird. That's you. Hello. Hi.
No, actually, there's not for sale.
He's infatuated with himself, guys. He's looking in the viewfinder. I know, that was so cute.
Dang.
Look at him. He's going off.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good morning. Hello. Hello. Hi.
That's so cool.
I know. He's humongous. What is he?
He's a
Macaw.
That's not for real. Like off that one video.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mine's nothing, but
Oh my goodness. He didn't like seeing him so. He thinks it's another bird, huh? Look at that. That's probably why he doesn't have mirrors in there. Oh my goodness. Okay. There you go. I closed it. It's okay. He's gone.
oh.